lessons, baby, cause we're convicted with the truth we've been investigating. I got a lot on my mind. Where do I start with this rhyme? First off, last night these racist cops on the grind cannot find a basic basis to make me stop at that light. But since I'm Islamic, Iranian, I guess that makes me Bin Laden's accomplice, and that won't walk in the line. I try to keep a positive vibe with unconditional love. Pocket is prime, visualizing pocket is shrine. But as they pat me down from my back to latch the ass and down the top of my thigh, I feel like a crackhead ready to snap at the drop of a dime. Over the drop of a dime, I got a lot on my mind. But even if these hostile cops will toss me off from my grind, I'll get back on it. Cause doggy gotta got me a drive like a Diablo with a jetpack on it. With no pretension, pressure, tension, bugging and stressing. I don't beat around the bush unless I'm jumping the Senate. Cause the game became a great big commercial like the Super Bowl. That's why I can suck my hookah holes. Claiming they gangster in the studio, knowing they ain't hard. Claiming they moving O's, they couldn't move an O in the space bar. Makes me want to start a revolution like Malcolm X, dude, and heat up OGs and MCs, alphabet soup. Cause there's a shortage of glorious warriors born for this mental training, with brains sharper than brushstrokes, oriental paintings. I try to find the light, but love don't persist, and the Mr. Slytherin hisses in this cutthroat business. Why he scuffing me, cuffing me when I'm humbly coming clean? Why he wanna see me barred up? I ain't a drum machine. No officer, I ain't hustling coke, but keep asking and put 7 up in your vote. But I refuse to be a revolutionary killer, cause once we fill their position in the Senate, what would be the solution of the difference? I will not mock KKK America's plot to raise money for your beliefs. They bury a mosque. Don't say it's fair, cause it's not. Tearing young Joshua apart from his pops just because you're scared of Allah. His name is Traces, made the liberated frame, just carrying a rock with his cap in his teeth and hair in his socks. Violence created violence, that's the narrative plot. We're obsolete cause all this thing we gotta share a problem. Some fake MCs making peace look like terrorist thought. Their intentions might be pure, awareness is off. I carry the cross on my back like Nas on M's track, but this time the Messiah's collective consciousness, yeah. We can change our lives, envision them and focus in no time, like living in the moment. Then watch it flow right to both sides of the globe like the Pacific Ocean with one specific notion: revolution, upliftment of emotions. You see, I study the grace and I've been influenced. You might sense the Nas in me, and I ain't talking intoxication off of balloons. To God I kneel like that astronomical dude who walked on the moon, like Pop in the Boom with Suge. I sing the Mafia blues. Cause what's in G? What's in G? Making guts open up and gush slow, taking gung-ho and gusto for gun smoke. Or is it G? Going with God's teachings and growing your godliness like Gandhi did. You're glowing like Godspeed, kid. All praise due to the Most High. We're cotton his vibe. And don't call it a conscious cause, it's just that I got